Hey everybody, it's Connor, honorelevate.com. This is the first step of setting up your account. I'll probably do a lot of this for you, but if in fact you've signed up online and we haven't had a chance to speak, you're probably going to get a link to this particular page. And this is going to be your landing page. So the very first part of it is to get your business set up. Now, if you don't have a Google My Business page, more than likely a lot of this information isn't going to be transferring into your account automatically. What we will do is during the onboarding, I'm sure we've already talked about it. And if we haven't done that, if you've just signed up online, I'll be connecting with you whenever you chose the calendar date. So then we can go through and find out where your business is currently online and then how to make that process better. We have everything built into even just the basic system that people purchase here at honorelevate.com. So it's going to have a robust CRM. It's going to be able to connect with your clients. It's going to be able to connect with phones. It's going to have agentic AI systems built in. And depending on what other tiers you're going to decide, it of course always, even at the base level, is going to have that social media posting platform and the calendar, which is fantastic. And the calendar, you can make as many as you want. You can also onboard staff. If you don't want to deal with the leads coming in, you can, of course, have it assigned to your staff. But first and foremost, the first step is going to be to get your basic account set up. So let me move this over here. You'll go to settings when you get on this page, and you're going to land right on your business profile. So this is where you're going to put in the information of which I speak. If you have a logo, great. If you don't, during the onboarding session, we probably already talked about it. I'm more than happy to help you put one together. There's a lot of different free apps out there that allow you to do this. So we'll put together a simple business logo that you can have plugged in here. Now, also understand with this online system, you also get the cell phone app as well. So it's going to come into your mobile device anytime a lead fills out information, a form or a funnel, or clicks, further information through a form that we place on your website, has an interaction with a chat bot, or through SMS messaging, missed call, text back, whatever feature they connect with you with, you will then get that update on your telephone. And if you enable the permissions so the app can notify you, then you'll hear a chime go off or whatever you designate to show you that there's somebody in there, so then you can click and do a follow-up with them. And depending on how we set up the AI chat is going to make a determination as to whether or not you're going to be able to interact with them on your phone, or if you just want the AI to handle that particular client. But anyway, so this is the information you're going to need. One of the things that I'll point out real quick is going to be your time zone. This is going to be hugely important, especially with the calendar interaction. If in fact you have a client in New York that's thinking about coming out here, wherever you happen to be in the world, but the time zone's different, at least you'll be able to mesh up as long as you select your time zone here, then the calendar works, everything else. So that's something else. If you have any issue with this page, reach out to me. We'll set up a Zoom and I'll be able to walk you through it if I haven't already. But this is really that first step in onboarding your business into Honor Elevate. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I have these about every single part of the process so you can really get your business where you need. I'm Connor with Honor. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.